Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a KFC style mukbang. Shout out to Marshy, thank you. I do apologise for not giving you a shout out previously, but yeah, thank you ever so much. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend. Right, well, as soon as the food gets here I'll bring you guys back and we'll get started. Today I'm actually drinking Tango Berry Peachy. Right, we have some coleslaw right here. That's a portion of chips right there. We have some onion rings right there. We have some beans right there. We have some more fries right there. We have a double fillet burger. We have an egg burger right there as well. And there's 3 pieces of chicken. Right, in this video I'm going over the roasts. I have not checked them. It was so hard to not check and read out the roasts. First one says, "Oh my god, no, you're too cute." Thank you, I appreciate that. I just want to laugh, you know. You'd look more normal if I edited your head upside down. I would see. I've heard that before. And you know what the funny thing is? I was sitting there thinking there's going to be one like that. I thought there would have been one where someone had commented saying, "Oh, if you'd have shaved, we wouldn't have known which side your head was round." But I developed type 2 diabetes by watching 10 of your videos in a row. That one's pretty good. I like that one. Your head looks like a white chocolate Malteser that has dropped down a couch and collected hair for 12 years. 12? Probably like dropped down the couch and just peeked up. It's good enough to eat. Now, anybody notice the ringworm on his arm? Ugh, disgusting. Ringworm? It's not ringworm. It's everywhere though, but it's psoriasis. So I'll put a nice video pork chop. You're welcome, my little chicken. Roast, congratulations on beating anorexia. Thank you. It's one of my proudest moments. Funny thing is, if you've been part of the channel for a long time, if you'd been part of my channel for a while, you know I had a t-shirt. My mum got me a t-shirt which said I beat anorexia. And before someone comes and says, "How can you have a t-shirt like that?" Well, I got the seal of approval from a friend of my sister's who did suffer with anorexia. I understand it is a serious problem. It's a serious eating disorder. But yeah, it's all meant in good fun. I like that one. Someone put, "Come on guys, we shouldn't make fun of fat people like Dean. He already has enough on his plate." You know what? Well played. Well played. That was good. That was. Oh, this one hurt a little. When I look at you, I think, what a waste of 2 billion years of evolution. All you've got to do is take a look on social media to realise how we've devolved over the past 20 years. If breathing didn't come naturally, lazy people like Dean wouldn't exist. Facts. I ain't got time to breathe. Oh, you have psoriasis. Shop sells soap that should help clear that up. Oh, I thought I thought that was a roast. Yeah, I have to go back. You'd be so much more likeable if it wasn't for the hole in your mouth where those horrific noises come out. That's cold, man, that's cold. I understand from a good source that Dean is a stunt double for Friar Tuck in the Robin Hood movies. I ain't no double. I am Friar Tuck. There is no double for me. To everyone who is following Ramadan, shout out to you guys. And to everyone else, have a happy Easter this weekend. I hope you have a good time. Dean sleeps 22 hours, eats for an hour, and sits on the shitter for the last hour. No, I only sleep 8 hours a day. I spend 15 hours on the toilet, and I spend 1 hour eating. The only roast you want is a roast chicken. Yeah, damn right. And I'm gonna get one because I am travelling tomorrow to a butcher's, a farm shop, and getting a fresh leg of lamb and fresh whole chicken. So I am gonna have that for Tuesday. It'll be at my mum's. I'd love to know why you don't have any curtains up. It looks so bare. It does. That is the theme of my whole flat, which is why I've never done a walking around my flat, because it's just empty. You I think if I removed one more item from my house, there'll be an echo. You know, I never treated this as my house. I just treated it as a place to sleep. I would sleep here and then I'll go to work. I never treated it as a home. But when I do move, I'm getting everything done. I'm getting curtains. I'm getting I'm getting the white curtains on the actual windows. I'm getting the other curtains as well. I'm gonna have like scented candles like over the place. I'll have some pictures put up on the wall. Oh, it's gonna look great. It really is. Right, let's give this double fillet burger a go. Let's try some with mayonnaise on it. Nice. Let's see what I can get off of this chicken wing. See, this is basically chicken wing. There's the wing, and what, because it's attached to that little ball of meat, they think they can just send it to you as chicken. Well, that's a dry part of the chicken as well. Has anyone ever told you you sound a bit like Bugs Bunny, the way you pronounce things? No? Dean, are you sure you have arthritis and not arthritis? Because you're always sitting on your ass. I'm actually not. I'm always sitting on my belly. I can only sit for so long before I have to get up and move. Dean, you ever going to paint that wall behind you? No, because I plan on moving and getting some proper paint. Anyone knows when Dean drinks, his eyes go back of his head? I've noticed that. When I'm editing, which is why you notice I tend to edit out me drinking as best as I can, because I'm like, you know, I was expecting some like a homeless roast even. I thought I was going to see a roast like Dean must have been the fattest homeless in London, the fattest homeless person in London. But yeah, I haven't seen that as of yet. If it comes up, then fair play. But no. Dean, you haven't moved house yet because you can't fit through the front door. I know. I tried. I've tried holding in my stomach as well. I just can't. I can't seem to get through. I have contacted the emergency services and they're going to come take out this wall for me. Love Dean to bits, but wish his head wasn't on upside down. Dean wearing a Marvel top is very fitting. Think his superhero name should be Captain Bellybuster. Oh shit. Well done. I like that one. Right, let's have some of my egg burger. Look at that. Someone mentioned in the comments, and I didn't realise it was actually true, because I was sitting there and I was biting into the burger like that upside down, but then sometimes I do it like that. I just dig into the burger. I don't sit there and pay attention which way is up. But yeah, someone's like, oh, you're triggering me because you're eating upside down. And technically I was, but it's bread either side. It's not like a pizza. Last one, if I had a face like yours, I'd sue my parents. I would, but I just can't bear to look at them. I would make fun of you, but I don't think you would understand it. Okay. If that's what you was getting at, you should have put a middle line between under and then like stand by itself, because obviously I have trouble standing. So yes, if that's what the joke was about, fair play. But the way you spell understand the correct way, it threw me off. I'm sorry, Dean, but sarcasm falls out of my mouth like stupidity does out of yours. Oh, sorry, I got it back. Almost lost it, Dean. You look like you have a bit of a hunchback, dear sir. I reckon you'd get a lot of spiteful kids that tease and chase you whenever you walk down the street and you shout at them, "I ain't got your fucking ball." I don't get that reference. I know the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Yeah, I think I get it now. Because I've got the ball in my coat, hiding the ball because of the hunch. You could have done so better with that, man. So much better than that. You are a backward version of Mr. Blobby. Yellowish skin with big pink spots. Get in touch with Noel Edmonds. You could be his new mascot. Kebab. I don't know what that kebab one is. I know, you know what? I can give Mr. Blobby a run for his money though. I've got to give you that. So you really are 10 years old drinking from a 2 litre bottle of fizz? Yes. Hey. Dipping fried chicken in tomato ketchup and also wearing a Marvel t-shirt. Grow up, mate. Okay. How's that? Grown up a bit more? Or should I grow up some more? Dude looks like Humpty Dumpty's middle-aged dad who fell off the wagon. Fell off, rolled down the hill, landed in the lake, got covered in crap, and then picked up and brought back again. That's me. I have 2 roasts. Mirrors don't lie, and luckily for you they don't laugh. You say that, but there is always laughing when I get up and start walking. You're so bald that when you wear a poncho you look like a broken condom. I have no idea what a poncho is. I seriously don't know what a poncho is. Shit t-shirt, Dino. They say you are what you eat, so Dean, when was it that you decided to swallow a pig whole? I think Nazis had an easier time trying to find Anne Frank than Dean being able to find his. It's been years. I don't think there is an oven large enough to roast you. If I mention your issue with alopecia, your husband might come and slap me. You eat your food like they're Scooby snacks. One chew, Dean, with his jazz hands. You know the funny thing is, yeah, is when my nieces and nephews was little, I'm talking like, how many years ago now, what, 7 years ago, give or take, I used to get spaghetti. This was a little trick I used to do with my nieces and nephews. I used to get the spaghetti, twizzle it, and get like a big amount on the fork, and then twizzle it all so it's all clumped together rather than dangling down. I'll literally put it in my mouth, swallow it and go, ta-da! And the kids are like, you know, well, considering you're wearing Marvel, might as well stop calling you the Incredible Bulk. Fair play. Fair play. It looks like you're recording in a Ukrainian bomb shelter with one of them plasma screens to make it look like you have natural lighting. You know what? I do. It is so depressing in here. my only roast is get that razor sharpened. It's almost time, almost. When are you going to get your mouth around Five Guys? Maybe this weekend if I'm lucky. Dean, if you're going to make me roast you, it'll be a spit roast, you hog. I don't spit. I do love. This is the only time I ever have chicken skin. Yeah, you've got to love Southern fried chicken skin. You know, when it comes to a roast dinner, which I'm going to have on Monday, I don't touch the skin. My sister loves it. And on Christmas, turkey skin. Do you know how thick turkey skin is? Ugh! They're crazy, man. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video, and I'll see you again Tuesday.